record, move switch to unlock position.
Turn the page.
To record, move switch to unlock position. I love you quicker than a minute.
Who's
I
that?
love you longer than an hour.
Where's Nana? Is she in the book? Is she in the book, is she? You show me where Nana is.
I love when you are quiet. And I love when you are loud.
There's a bear. There are two bears. Is that the mummy bear? Yeah, where's Nana? Turn the page.
I love you too when raindrops fall. I love you, Utah, round and round the world. I love
There's
you,
Nana.
Utah, through and through. And when it seems impossible to love Utah more, I do.
Yeah, that's another book. That's Nanny Canada's book. Two? You want to open that one up? Open it up.
And if the path that you choose gets rocky and rough, whenever you feel all alone, remember, we're with you all the way. To record.
There are two. Is it a mummy and a baby?
Yeah.
Say, yeah, baby.
All the ways I love you. I love you too when raindrops. I love when you are quiet. And I love when you are loud.
Two bears. Good boy. Good speaking. He's a big bear. Where's baby bear? Yeah, there's baby. Daddy's in the kitchen.